Hey folks, it's Ryan the Key Spot. Yeah, my voice sounds really deep today. I'm sorry, but today I went to the mall and I used my Apple gift card, and it was between Lego Star Wars, the first two games, then the music to add to GarageBand, and then Final Cut Express 4, or storage, or microphone. Between these 5 things, I chose music because I want to improve the video quality and add music to it. So whenever I'm talking, you hear music in the background, and it'll sound pretty cool. So let's unwrap it now. As you can see, I got the little Apple logo right there. Isn't it cool? And then we got the jam pack. Open it now slowly. So this will improve my music, and I can make new songs with it. Oops. But here it is, unboxed. Now let's open it up, shall we? Nothing else in here. Putting this down over here. Let's see, we got just talking about the stuff. Got installing, and then we got the GarageBand. And when I'm done installing, I'll give my full review of it after I start using it for a little bit. And I'll tell you if it's good, it's bad, but it'll probably be good because you'll probably hear music in this background. So that's my first unboxing, and I'm very sorry that I did not unbox my Apple MacBook that I'm using to film this now, or for the iPod Nano, which is right here. But I'll be doing a review on the iPod Nano, and then on the MacBook Pro, well, not MacBook, MacBook Black, because somebody in my comments asked me to do it. So I'll do a review of the MacBook and tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and you'll see if you're a new Mac user or somebody that's thinking about buying a Mac. You can take my review if you want, or you cannot take it. It's up to you. But if it's from a Mac user, they know what they're talking about, and we're not biased. So this is the Key Spot with Ryan. I'll catch you all next time.